Okay, so you guys remember the catalogs from Sonics, okay? The car wash factory. We got this thing from TSS Car Wash Inc. And it is huge. I'm opening it on this side with the addresses facing towards me so you guys do not see them. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like for this year's. I get a little bit of it opened. Okay. 2020. Okay, tell me, does this not look cool or what? So we have arches, foamers, lights, canopies, menus, tunnel, promotional, and utility. So, wow. See, we got anything new in here? I think it's the V-Jet foamers, a whole bunch of stuff, guys. So, something. Ooh. Oh, this one's new. This one right here. Good thing I'm wearing my Prime hat today. There's a whole bunch of new arches and stuff. Some of them are still the same. Some ones that I've seen from previous ones are still the same. So they got their own banana foamers. Don't know what that was. But yeah, they have a whole bunch of new stuff. A whole bunch of application arches. Sheer. Oh. Huh. Guess these are. That's cool. Huh. TSS is trying to go the same route of Sony's with the top of the caps. Very interesting. That's pretty cool. TSS. Yep. Looks all the same. The top of the caps. But the thing is, the part where it holds the actual foamer, so I'm talking about like this part right here, the part to Sony's is a little bit different than this one. So they got the ones with the, I think it was the V-Jets. Yeah, the V-Jet ones. And then look at the little LED lights. I'm gonna skip the lights right now. We're gonna mainly focus on, these are application arches. I'm looking for like entrance arches. Thing is, I don't think 39. We passed all the arches. Yeah, they don't have the old ones I've seen. Unless I passed it. Those are application arches. Some of these arches are just mainly for like applications, and not like what's these ones say kind of this one. That's odd. Because they don't have the old ones like from last year's catalog. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Oh, they got some little attendant booths. Yeah. Pretty cool. Oh, they got some new options for wash menus. Hmm. And then they got the icons. They put them in like different areas of. So like pre-soak, they have 2 paths in the pre-soak bath. For the iron body icons, they have under flush, high pressure underbody, and then just normal underbody wash. And then they got ones for rinse, foam, tires, a whole bunch of them. Yep. So, and they got the word out ones. They don't. Kind of wish they would have like spaced like they did with last year's. They had like cell phones with all the icon like wash icons you can put like on a menu. This year it's a little bit different. So they don't have the whole all the um, icons. They just show you some like little examples. They don't show you all of them. All the icons that they supposed to offer. So they're I wouldn't say lagging too much, but you know, yeah, this is really cool. You got the ones with the letters. Got some new. They have a hex instruction fixture, which looks pretty cool. They got the normal eye instructions with the fixture, the lights. Yeah. All this looks pretty cool. Some of these I've probably never seen before. They got the countertop mat, menu mat. You got ones for this pump. Like if you run a car wash at a gas station. Yeah. They got. This is new. Okay, everything that I'm seeing right now, some of these things are actually new. So there's actually a new pump station canopy sign. Pretty cool. I got some more signage. Replacement parts. Get a little hand to hand there. Oh, they also have the little promotional rack carts. And they have a couple of. They have like 1, 2, 3. Only like 3, 4 pages for like replacements. Then they got the zip cable tray system, which basically, if you don't want all of your tubes to like soap applicators to wherever they go, you don't have to have them all like in just like one place from another. But yeah, I like this. I've scrolled through everything. Surprisingly, I didn't say anything related to Prime Car Wash, which is okay. This is still cool. Yeah. I mean, how car wash companies are keeping up with all their equipment and everything, it's just crazy, guys. It's crazy. So, well, this was really cool. Now I got the ones for Sony's 2020, and then we got one for TSS of 2020. I saw this thing in the mail today. I'm like, what is that? I looked. It came finally because I actually ordered this before the Sony's catalogs. This one took forever. I don't know why. But yeah, they actually have a new address. It's actually in Warren, Michigan. I feel so bad. They pay $7.75 for shipping. I feel so bad. Oh well. The catalog's free anyway, so. Besides, they're like, I don't know how much they make. But yeah. But I guess that's going to do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to subscribe for more. And until next time, guys, say hi. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all later. Peace out, Luigi's.